morning students. Here Mrs. Neelam Jain from SK Public School. Students, today I am going to teach you chapter number 13, that is symmetry. I have chosen question number 3 of your NCERT book exercise 13.2. Question number 3. Question is complete the table. Students, you are given here different types of shapes or different types of polygons, and you have to tell number of lines of symmetry and also draw the rough figure of that particular polygons. So let's start. Our topic is number of lines of symmetry of different shapes or different polygons. Shapes or polygons, we can say. First is an equilateral triangle. As you know, an equilateral triangle is a triangle which have all the three sides of equal length. So take your scale also. First is an equilateral triangle. So we are going to draw first of all an equilateral triangle in which all the three sides are of equal length. Then first of all, this is one line of symmetry, another second line of symmetry. Try to take the midpoint of the opposite side to the vertex. Then taking this as vertex and this is opposite side and take its midpoint and then join. So an equilateral triangle, it will have how many lines of symmetry? It will have 3 lines of symmetry. So number of line of symmetry of an equilateral triangle will be 3. Student, for drawing these figures you will use scale and pencil. Okay. And second figure, it is what? It is square. Square, then rectangle. Square. And square, you know, a square is a closed polygon with equal 4 sides. With 4 equal sides. So you will draw a sphere with the help of scale. With the help of square. So this is square. It is closed polygon made up of 4 equal line segments. So this is square. So this line of symmetry is dividing this circle into 2 equal parts. This is vertical line of symmetry and this is horizontal line of symmetry, and then diagonally it is also dividing this circle into 2 equal parts. This is another diagonal of the square. When 2 opposite vertices are joined, then diagonal is formed. So here this is square having how many lines of symmetry? It is having 4 lines of symmetry. After square, it is a rectangle. So draw a rectangle, then rectangle. So draw a rectangle. So this is rectangle. And this card is also example of a rectangle, students. And it will be, when it will be folded in this way, so it is divided into 2 equal parts. This crease, or you can say line of symmetry, is dividing this card into 2 equal parts. And if you fold in this way vertically, then it is also dividing this card into 2 equal parts. When diagonally, when you fold it diagonally, I am folding this card diagonally. You can also try this. When diagonally I am dividing this, I am trying to divide this into 2 equal parts, but this portion is extra. This portion is extra. This portion is extra. And when I am folding diagonally, and I am finding this portion is extra. This portion is extra. So diagonally, I can't draw a line of symmetry of a rectangle. So here, vertical line of symmetry, then horizontal line of symmetry is possible of a rectangle. So here 2 lines of symmetry are possible of a rectangle. Then it's isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle, a triangle which has 2 lines of equal length and third line of different length. That is an isosceles triangle. This is of different length and this side is equal to this side. Means these two both sides are equal and this is of different length. So this is what an isosceles triangle. So here only 1 line of symmetry is possible. Here only 1 line of symmetry is possible of an isosceles triangle. Of an isosceles triangle. Then rhombus. Then rhombus. And rhombus, it will have how many lines of symmetry, students? A rhombus, it will have only 2 lines of symmetry. Two lines of symmetry. Then circle. Yes, for circle, many lines of symmetry can be drawn. Many lines of symmetry can be drawn. Then circle. Yes, for circle, many lines of symmetry can be drawn. Many lines of symmetry can be drawn inside the circle. Many lines of symmetry. If so, students, take compasses for drawing a circle. Use compasses. Yes. First of all, after drawing a circle, so this will be the center of the circle, and we can draw infinite many lines of symmetry. Many lines of symmetry inside a circle. Many lines of symmetry can be drawn. So there is no limit of drawing lines of symmetry of a circle. So we can write infinite lines of symmetry. This is what? Circle. An isosceles triangle, only one line of symmetry can be drawn. In a rhombus, it is 2. And in case of circle, infinite many lines of symmetry can be drawn. And all this work will be done by you also with the help of scale, pencil and compasses. I have already sent you PDF of these exercises, students. So do neat and clean work in your notebooks. Where graph paper is required, draw the shape on a graph paper and also draw the lines of symmetry. Until then, stay alert, stay healthy, mask yourself, take proper care. Thank you and complete your work on time. Thank you, students.